Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why I love these waterproof dog pads. These waterproof pads by Peepeego are so nice. You can protect furniture, you can use them as well-being pads. There are so many possibilities because they are reusable, they're washable, and you can use them over and over. I love that they come in so many different sizes. I have this huge one so that it fits perfectly in the puppy pen. This is the 36 by 72, and I have a couple of them. So I have tan and I also have gray. I like the kind of neutral colors. But look how big that is. I've had to double up in this puppy pen before and it's not fun. But this large one with the rubber grippies on the back just stays in place. I love that. I don't have to worry about it slipping around on the floor or even on the couch. It's so nice that I can put the puppies on there and know that whatever they're on is protected. You can see that the water, when I pour it on there, it does kind of just bead up, but eventually if there's an accident and it does soak through, whatever surface this is on is going to be protected because it doesn't even come through the pad. So I love knowing that my couch is safe. I also love, like I said, that these are reusable, washable. I can use them over and over, and I'm not wasting my money just buying disposable pads constantly. Whether you have well-being dogs or you just need a waterproof protector for furniture or anything else, I would highly suggest these waterproof dog pads, and that is my point of view.